Ballet to cocaine, you fall ballet to grind. You eat a shoulder to lean on, you eat a shoulder to cry.
Okay, y'all, we're back again. Now, this is OBD4A. D4A Nilio, and who else? There's two more people on here. Knockin Records, shout out Knockin Records. And Young OB obviously is in the name. This is That's What She Like. Shout out D4A Nilio. Love you down, love the support, and I'm excited to listen to this. Dope artist from St. Martin. Y'all, shout out to St. Martin Massive. I love you guys so much. I talked about it before. That's what I was talking about. It just came to my mind, y'all, because I just did another video. I was bigging up the people who are super nice to me. You know, online interactions can be interesting at times. And I think a lot of people from St. Martin that's interacted with me, I don't think I've had any bad interaction with anybody so far. People who've reached out for promo, whatever it is. Everyone has been very kind to me, very sweet to me, and I really, really appreciate it. And everyone's super, super supportive. I feel like when you're in this type of, creative bubble, you want to make friends and not enemies, or at least be acquaintances with people. So I appreciate you guys so, so much. And D, for somebody who I feel like I know him personally at this point, I feel like we're cool, we're friends, because of interactions online. So shout out to you, and I'm excited to hear this out. I'm always be honest, y'all, regardless of if we're cool or not. So let's get into this.
The whole team, we don't play. You're now rocking with a D4A. Pick up the whole team, we don't play. You're now knocking with the D4A. Yeah, blue, whoa, Sunshine City. Whoa, it's OBD4A, and we ain't come to play. It's OBD4A, and we ain't come to play. I heard that she likes me, I wanna shift my panties. I'm rocking Air Jordans, it's not for the Chinese. Introduce our sister, but I like the auntie. I'm going Halo Man stick, if you ask me. Is that what she like? To sing on top of mic? Is that what she like? To fling her left and right? Is that what she like? To ride on motorbike? She got what I like, I know that kitty tight. Is that what she like? To sing on...
You say she got what I like, I know that. Hello? What you say? I agree, I relate. Like now, but I like this beat. That what she like to ride up, and that what she like. Okay.
Top of mic. Is that what she like? To fling her left and right? Is that what she like? To ride on motorbike? She got what I like, I know that kitty tight. Nothing you want, bring a thing, bring a rosy thing. Catch me in her roses, there I want to swim. Girl, you got a body, you physically fit. I like the way you do it, girl, come walk up on the bed. Is that what she like? To sing on top of mic? Is that what she like? To fling her left and right? Is that what she like? To ride on motorbike? She got what I like, I know that kitty tight. Is that what she like? To sing on top of mic? Is that what she like? To fling her left and right? Is that what she like? To ride on motorbike? She got what I like, I know that kitty tight. Catch me down in Boston, or catch me calling you. Catch me with...
First of all, let's get into it. It's a Bouillon beat. We know that already, right? Big up the Dominica Massive every time. We have to. We got to shout out Bouillon every time. We have to. Bouillon has surpassed its original level. We got so many different people coming up on Bouillon beats, but we always have to remember. Okay? Shout out Dominica one time. But I'm vibing with this, y'all. That what she like to ride on. I really like that. Okay. This is one I would like to see live, performed live. I would like to hear this on the road. I would like to hear this on the truck. I need to go to St. Martin Carnival. Hopefully we'll be hearing his song on the truck for, the next carnival or the next juve or the next function. So definitely want to touch down at some point because got to hear it.
Can't catch me with no catch me down in Boston, or catch me calling can't catch me with no can't catch me with no because I told you so. Man c'est toujours fresh, and I like a sapolo. She just start to twerk it, then she clock it on the floor. I quiver in your backside, they call it in your hole. Is that what she like? To sing on top of mic? Is that what she like? To fling her left and right? Is that what she like? To ride on motorbike? She got what I like, I know that kitty tight. Is that what she like? To sing on...
Y'all see me butchering the lyrics? This is my problem. And you guys, this is way off topic, but I love to get on people when they don't know the lyrics to songs. And what I just did just now was bite at my tongue because I thought I knew the lyrics right away. That's what I get. But it's one of my biggest pet peeves. Do not get on your phone and then like eat the chicken bike. No. You don't know the lyrics yet. Just learn it. Note to self. You see how I was looking crazy just a moment ago?
The mic, is that what she like? To fling her left and right. Is that what she like? To ride a motorbike. She got what I like. I know that kitty tight.
All right, y'all, what do we think? For me, I'm going 10 out of 10 on that one. I really enjoyed it. And you guys, I definitely feel like I liked the other artists on there too. I liked his part as well. It was clean. It was clean. 10 out of 10. I really have no critiques. I think as far as D4A, I've listened to some of his other songs. He does, you know, bouillon type songs. Then we got him singing too, rapping, all different types of things. And you know, just because I know somebody or we're cool or whatever the case may be, I'm always gonna be honest about some of the things that I like. Every single song that he has done or every song that I've listened to by him has not always been my cup of tea, but that doesn't mean it's not a good song. And I think that's important to note, especially when people are trying to jump into completely different genres. You know, you want to realize what works for you. I think that you shouldn't box yourself in, but I do think it is, you know, it's important to know what people think works best, what you feel works best, and combining those things with some of the things you want to venture out and do so that it can be kind of a smoother transition, I think. And incorporating, maybe doing like a bouillon R&B vibe, which who knows what that would look like. You could be the originator of that or things like that, you know, like, and I'm just saying this to say that I've listened to him in doing different things on his Instagram, always posting and always practicing, which I think is a good thing. A lot of artists, you know, you need to become a better artist, you got to continue to up your craft. So shout out to him for that. And yeah, y'all, 10 out of 10 for me. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.